Hi folks, it's Foss here from the ChrisFossShow.com. Hey, coming here with a super great review. I gotta tell you, this company is one of the best leather bag makers I think I've ever witnessed or reviewed over the years. We've reviewed a number of their bags over the years. We've even had their CEO on the Chris Foss Show podcast. You can go to saddlebackleather.com. This is a bags that are made by a super caring, endeavoring CEO, a guy who wanted to make the best leather bags he possibly could and put so much care and love into his work, and doesn't cut corners, and just builds just exquisite, beautiful bags. The bags are so sought after. There's collectors groups on Facebook that you can join to trade the bags or sell or buy the bags. They're just, I mean, once Sequit's making them, they almost become collector's items to collectors. These bags are immaculate, and I have a bunch of them, and people always try and buy them off me from the review units, and I'm like, this is one of the bags I don't sell. There's a few different products that I have work with a few different companies that I just won't sell. I keep them for me, and I think they're awesome. One of the interesting avenues about Saddleback's leather story is they have the motto, they'll fight over it when you're dead. They literally give their products a 100-year lifetime warranty. So basically you can hand this down to your children, your kids, and everything else, and they feel comfortable enough in the quality of what they do. The latest to come out today is the 13er thin leather briefcase. I'm really excited about this briefcase because they put a lot of pockets, they put a lot of places to put laptops and iPads and phones and all sorts of stuff in it. It comes in 4 different colors. You can get this in really beautiful leather colors: tobacco, dark coffee brown, chestnut, which is my favorite, of course, and black. But all of them do look good and just beautiful cuts of leather. Basically, it's designed without a single breakable part and reinforced with extra stitching, rivets, and hidden polyester strips that don't stretch. It's a pretty amazing. 3 reinforcements are in the bag. He does all these intricate things. If you watch his videos on YouTube and on their website, you can see all the extra care and love that goes into these products. And it's just pretty mind-blowing. So with the leather, they use only thick, full grain leather, which is the highest grade of hide that you can buy, and they use it in all their laptop bags. The grain is tough and most water resistant part of the hide, so it makes really good stuff where you don't have to, it's going to hold up for the test of time. It's got a wonderful lining inside of it. What's interesting is it looks like it has the fake bottom that he's put in some of his other bags where you can hide your ID or maybe money, and what it will do is lays flat and gives the impression there's a false bottom on it. So if you ever get robbed, I believe he has some stories, or has some customer stories of people who maybe got robbed when they were wandering the African wilderness or traveling, and they took and hid their money and passports in this secret area in the bottom, and it worked well and saved their stuff. They use 316 stainless steel hardware in all their different clasps and everything else. Everything is heavy duty about these bags when it comes down to the quality and everything that goes into it. Even a thick and strong industrial grade polyester thread they use to sew this up. It's pretty amazing. It's 14.25 wide, 10 inches in height, 2.5 deep, and it weighs only 4 pounds and it has interior key strap. You can take and put all sorts of pockets in this. It's great for laptops and everything else. You're really going to be blown away at what you can put in this bag. And I really like it because it seems to have more pockets than some of the other bags that I've gotten from these guys. And I really love being able to put in like chargers, pens, cables. The 2 flat front pockets fit all sorts of little stuff that you want to take and put in there, and it'll fit up to a 13-inch MacBook Pro or laptop, or a 2019 15-inch MacBook Pro can fit in the top compartment. What's nice is it's expandable, so if you want to store more stuff in it, you can just increase the clasp on the front with the leather thing, or if you want to just pull it tight, you can do that as well. And of course, you can carry this with a handle that's on it. They build really well built handles so they won't tear off. There's even reinforcement bars in them that you can see in the video. And of course, you have a shoulder strap that comes with it, which is really nice. They make these really beautiful, wonderful shoulder straps. I got to tell you, when I travel with their bags, everybody asks me like, wow, that's a beautiful bag. Where did you get it? They're always super impressed with it. It's just exquisite bags when it comes down to it. So be sure to check them out. Go to saddlebackleather.com. Check out the 13er thin leather briefcase. Highly recommend this bag. This is one of my favorite briefcases I think that have come out. I've got some that are much bigger and they're kind of gaudy for sometimes what I need just as a man. I've got their little bag that's kind of kind of looks like the Indiana Jones bag. I'll say it, and that's my opinion. And it's kind of thin and small, but it's almost too small for what I want. So this is almost the perfect bag for me when it really comes down to it. And I think you'll enjoy it too. Anyway, thanks for tuning in. We'll see you next time.